What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got another riding review for you today. I'm going to meet up with the cake dealer and a couple of our friends at a new spot owned and operated by my friend Chef Ruben Rodriguez. You might have seen some old riding reviews where I went to Kobo by Nye Tapas Bar, Amigo, Emilia by Nye. So this spot is called Bad Hombre. Bad Hombre took over the space that used to be Amigo. So Amigo has now changed. It's been renovated. From what I see, like the pictures and everything online, it looks really nice now. Changed it up a little bit. Changed up the menu, obviously. So I'm looking forward to it. I always love Ruben's food. Never a bad item. Always delicious. Super talented chef. Very much under the radar. I feel like this guy is easily someone who can get like a Michelin star, or, you know, he's just like super talented. Amazing talent. So if you haven't been to any of his restaurants, I highly recommend. Probably my favorite of all of them right now is Nye Tapas Bar. His Spanish cuisine is off the charts. Great tapas, great food. Cooks up a mean steak as well. So I'm looking forward to this. Obviously, I know it's going to be a good meal. I know it's going to be a big meal. We're going to try like most of the menu. What's this, 3rd Street? Let me turn here. This place is on, it's basically 2nd Avenue and 2nd Street. So it's, you know, it's not really that far. So this could be a pretty short riding review. I'll try to take it slow on the way home, maybe, so I could talk about all the dishes. Let's see, we're at B here, 3rd and B. I got my new helmet on. I'm feeling it. I like it. It's a fun helmet. It's windy. It's a little bit chilly today. Temperature dropped like 20 degrees in the last couple days, and it's like borderline freezing. I don't know. Crazy. Ooh, Avenue A is really ripped up. Looks like they're repaving. After the winter freeze and thaw. So, all right. Coming up on 1st Ave now. Sun's out, but it's still cold as hell. The wind definitely does not help. It is windy today. All right, I'm going to take this left up here, and Bad Hombre should be immediately on the right. All right, let's see. All right, it's between, technically it's between 2nd Street and 1st Street. So let me just jump up here on the sidewalk because I see it up ahead. There it is. All right, let me lock this baby up, and I will see you on the inside. Super cool in here. Look at this. Wow. The bar is gorgeous. For sure.
Great first date.
The last time we were all together, we did drinks at
That Roman and then that
the
other
Thai
spot.
place.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's strong.
Yeah, this one's
Yeah.
really strong.
That's passionate from miles away, right?
That, so you can
Oh, is that the guac?
yeah, and I went to like, the octopus.
Oh.
Taking some nice photos there. Very photo-generated place.
That's good. What a beauty.
I don't think you ordered them. I didn't want to like
Oh, what is that?
It's the mushroom.
You're not that, Nina.
Oh wait, Nina Joy.
Nina Joy, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't even.
Yeah, the lot Hotel Palace or whatever. Base.
That's when it's amazing.
Yeah, and I was like,
Gotta have some veg.
so good.
Thank you, Herb. Whoa. All right, bad hombre, more like good hombre. Place was awesome. Man, we had so much food. I'm so full. I'm not even gonna remember everything that we tried. We had like almost the entire menu, with the exception of maybe like some chicken skewer thing and a veg. Speaking of veg, probably the best Brussels sprouts I've ever had. They're in like a habanero aioli, super crispy, absolutely bonkers delicious. Oysters, great oysters, excellent way to start the meal. Great little mignonette on there, really sets it off nicely. We did a scallop crudo. That was really tasty, spicy and sweet, nicely balanced. The sweetness, the natural sweetness of the scallop. And then we had like this little corn, I guess like a dip made out of corn, and that was sweet and spicy also. Always everything so balanced and nice. Really, cocktails are really balanced and nice too. Like, you know, we tried 2 or 3, and every one was better than the last. It's just absolutely crazy. Standout items, aguachile. That was made with octopus. Real tender, real tasty, refreshing. I would get that again in a heartbeat. And then we moved on to some heavier. Well, first there was like a trio of tortilla items. There was a shrimp taco, a mushroom quesadilla, and then a fish tostada. Of the three of those, the mushroom quesadilla was my favorite. It was just so good, so tasty. Like the texture on it was unique and different. The flavor profiles were earthy and deep, rich. The grilled octopus was beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. And my favorite part of that dish was the sauce. There was a black bean puree on there, but there was also like Middle Eastern or Indian flavors going on inside the sauce. I was just wiping it up and like drinking it with a spoon. So good. The ribs, those St. Louis ribs, those were confit and glazed with like soy and sesame seed. Holy crap. I mean, I picked one up and the meat just fell right off. That's how soft and tender and juicy. Just cooked perfectly. Absolutely delicious. So good. We did a little chimichurri skirt steak. Perfectly cooked. Really nice and tender. Great chimichurri sauce on there. Let's see, what else? I know I'm missing something, but dessert was off the charts. They didn't look like much, but let me tell you, they tasted out of this world. So the first one was like a chocolate mousse, the little fresh sea salt on top, just to set it off, pop those flavors. And then the other was like a frozen, half frozen panna cotta. Maybe, I don't know, maybe that's what a semi-freddo is. I'm not that versed on dessert lingo, but it was like a half frozen, creamy, fruity, pineapple-y. There was a little bit of granita, which is like frozen ice crystals on there with grapefruit flavor to them. Just delicious and beautiful too, as was the bar. So yeah, bar beautiful. They did a great job with the remodel, and I'm home already. All right, jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com, get the full review, the full write-up, everything. Make sure you like and subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.